girl, hey! You must have clicked on this video because you're tired of losing your edges, right? Yeah, me too. Hi, my name is Luvmehair if you don't know me. And if you know me, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the Vibe. And let's get into this glueless install right now. Okay, so boom, shagalaga, ding dong. First things first, shout out to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. And this is just me showing you guys all the goodies that come inside the box with your perfect unit. Yes, because their wigs are perfect, okay? An elastic band, an edge brush, a bonnet. Girl, you could never go wrong with a bonnet, all right? You know what? Actually, hold on. Let me go ahead and put this babe right on, all right? Bow, yes. Given, yes. Okay, and a wig cap too. You also get that in the box. Alrighty? All right. So today we're doing a curly hair glueless install. Yes, girl, we are retiring the glue. But first, look at this babe, beautiful, straight out the box. Yeah. So wig cap, let's go. You know what this is? Yes, this is blending time. So you always gotta put on some makeup on that lace. Yes, you do, especially if you're doing glueless. If you're not going for the glue, you have to do this because this is the base, okay? This is the base. So yes, this is just your girl trying this on right now. And I remove my wig cap. I don't know why I always put it on then remove it, because honestly, wig caps are overrated, babe. Like, I feel like my wigs look better when I take them off. So yeah, I do that. I don't wear wig caps anymore. We're done with that. Yeah. So okay, so first things first is cutting my lace. So after I have put makeup on my lace, you know, the foundation on my lace, then I go ahead, put it on, try it on, make sure it fits. Then I go ahead and cut the lace. So that's the first step, okay? Second step, which is the most crucial part, plug, okay? This is your hairline, this is your lifeline, this is what's going to give the wig the look. So you have to plug. I just learned this. As if you haven't watched my videos already and this is your first time, I'm actually learning, okay? And I'm learning with you guys, in front of you guys. So yeah, so I've learned that plugging your wigs does the magic, and I am never going back. Please always plug your wigs. I mean, look at my hairline. It looks pretty freaking awesome, doesn't it? Yes, it does. So okay, the plucking was quick on camera, but I actually took my time when I was plucking it because I didn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, so then I just go back in with the hot comb to kind of lay it flat and see what we're working with. And to be honest, these Luvmehair wigs don't require much at all. I mean, oh, and I also did forget to mention, I did bleach the knots as well. I'm going to make a video of how I bleach my knots. I don't know why. Or the reason why I didn't record it is because it was my first time and I was scared that it was not going to come out right. But I did bleach my knots, so that's also very crucial when doing a glueless install, because there's no melting of the lace happening. So basically the bleach is going to do the melting effect. You get what I'm saying? Alrighty, so we're looking good, we're looking right, aren't we? Yes, we're looking right and tight. So the base work is basically done. I mean, all you have to do is really bleach your knots, pluck your edges, pluck your lace, and put some foundation on that lace, and that is it. So now I'm just going into styling. So if you see me spraying, ooh. Yeah, literally. But yeah, so I was spraying the hairspray on there because it gives the effect, you know, the shiny, it gives it a good finish, shiny look, like as you can see. So, you know, if you're into that, and it also helps with flyaways, you know. So I usually use the wax stick, but I find the spray to be working better, so I'm sticking to that. But y'all, look at this hairline. Ooh, ooh-wee. I did that. Yes, I did. Obviously, I don't know how to behave because I cannot believe this is what my wig is looking like, y'all. This is actually my first time trying this, like bleaching my knots and trying no glue. And ma'am, look at this hairline. Come on, get into it, babe. We're not doing glue anymore. I am retiring this, especially with Luvmehair wigs. They come with straps and combs inside the wig, so you don't even really need glue because the strap is adjustable, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. But baby girl, eating, and the install was so quick and easy. But check me out. Yes, I love this hair so much. And if you're loving it as much as I am, please check the description box below. It has all the information, okay? You see, no glue, no nothing. It's given, yeah. So yeah, the description box has the link to this wig and the link to the full website. But also, I do have a discount code, which is LUX25, and get you 25% off your order, okay? And let me tell you, wigs are pretty affordable. Their wigs are super affordable. Yeah. So this is just me right now, just doing a little styling because I'm like, let me get into my styling bag, okay? Like, let me step it up just a little bit, just a little notch. My favorite thing about these Luvmehair wigs is the fact that they are super good quality. I mean, the shedding is literally non-existent with these wigs. These wigs do not shed. They come ready to wear, and like, look at that. Look how easy it was for me to just even try some small, and it came out real beaut. I am obsessed with this whole look. Like, this wig is my favorite at the moment, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, then by now you've seen I've been slaying the heck out of this unit right here. And you better run and get you one of those. Run and get you one of those and use my code, all right? But this is definitely it for me today, ladies. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you haven't already, baby girl, go ahead and subscribe and join the vibe right now, because what? We are best friends at this point, right? Right. Okay, I'm gonna catch you on my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial like I did, because this hair is eating, isn't it? Yes, it is. Alrighty, bye.